The sparks are gone, the work is finished, everyone's ready to move on. But hidden embers don't follow the schedule. Many workplace fires don't start during hot work, they start after, when no one is paying attention. That's why the role of a fire watch is one of the most critical safety responsibilities on any job site. Welcome to the Fire Watch online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a focused, practical course designed to help workers understand fire watch responsibilities before, during, and after high-risk activities. In just 12 minutes, this course builds the awareness needed to prevent small sparks from becoming major fires. Inside this course, you'll learn what fire watchers actually do and why this role requires full attention and proper training. You'll gain insight into situations that require fire watch coverage, especially during hot work activities like welding, cutting, grinding, or any task that produces heat, sparks, or flame. The course explains why fire watchers must remain dedicated to observing work areas, why distractions are dangerous, and how stopping work is sometimes the safest and most responsible decision. You'll also learn how fire watch duties extend beyond active work, including monitoring areas after tasks are complete, when smoldering sparks or hidden heat can ignite materials minutes or even hours later. Most importantly, the training reinforces knowing when conditions are unsafe, how to alert others, and when to escalate response instead of attempting to control a fire alone. Fire watch failures can lead to catastrophic losses. This course helps you prevent fires caused by hot work activities, understand fire watch responsibilities clearly, reduce after-hours and delayed ignition risks, improve coordination during high-risk tasks, and protect workers, facilities, and equipment. Fire prevention doesn't end when the work stops. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, demonstrating your understanding of fire watch responsibilities and your commitment to workplace fire safety. Strengthen hot work fire safety, prevent delayed ignition risks, and protect lives and property with fast, effective OSHA-aligned fire watch training. Enroll today with OSHA Outreach Courses and make fire prevention part of every job before, during, and after the work is done.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.